Mzansi, there's allegedly a new romance brewing, and of course, Musa Khawula is at the center of it. The controversial blogger is taken to social media claiming that former Imbewu the Seed actress Vuyiseka Chawe is now romantically involved with Uyajola 99 hoster and rapper Jub Jub. Yes, that Jub Jub. According to Musa, the two are allegedly dating, and while neither Vuyiseka nor Jub Jub has confirmed anything publicly, the rumor alone was enough to send social media into full detective mode. Fans are now digging through old pictures, public appearances, and even Instagram follows, trying to find out proof that this could be Mzansi's newest celebrity couple. But not everyone is excited. Social media users are already questioning whether the actress should be getting involved with someone who constantly trends for controversy, while others are saying people should let Jub Jub move on and find love in peace. Is this a soft launch, a situationship, or just another rumor that's about to explode into a full-blown headline? One thing about Musa Khawula, when he drops relationship tea, the timeline starts investigating immediately. And right now, all eyes are on Vuyiseka and Jub Jub.